Should you back up your Azure Virtual Network configuration? How often do you make changes to your network? What happens when something breaks after a change? Hi, I'm Michael from Veeam, and in this demo, we'll tackle these questions as we explore how to protect, compare, and recover your Microsoft Azure Virtual Network configuration. Let's dive in and see how Veeam makes managing your network changes easier and more reliable. For the virtual network backup, let's head over to our policies, virtual network, and here we already have this created. I haven't done this. We click edit, and then we can choose how we want to start protecting and enabling that protection. So we could also choose a number of other subscriptions if we have them discovered as part of our environment, as well as additional subscriptions we can add down below. Do you want to enable an additional copy? We can choose one of those object storage, those blob storage locations that we have. And then when do you want to collect that data and how long do you want to keep it for? Email notifications if you have them configured. What does the summary look like? And at this point, we just need to enable that policy. That policy then runs, protects that virtual network. Now, it's not just about recovery of that virtual network. What we also can see is that comparison between. So yes, we have the recovery when bad things happen and you want to flip that back. But what this enables us to do is go and look at our virtual networks. You'll see here that we have a couple. We have one in particular that is in Sweden Central. So we're going to take that one as our example, as our demo that we're going to use. And we're actually going to just go and delete that completely out of our subscription. So if we refresh this, yep, it's definitely gone. So now when we go into that protected data and that virtual network, we can do a comparison between our Sweden Central, and you can see here that in our backup, we have something available, but over on the production, you can see that it's deleted. So at that point, we can then say, oh, we can do a granular recovery of that, or we could do a full restore of that. Now, in that instance, you'd probably do a full restore. But now I just want to show you the granularity that we can get to. So think of this as a bit of a shopping list in regards to what do you want to recover when it comes to the granularity of that. Maybe there's a subnet that you don't want, or maybe there's elements of that virtual network that you don't need anymore. So here I'm going to select all three of those. I'm going to bring them all into my shopping list. I'm going to bring them all back. The security group, the virtual network, etc. We choose the service account that enables us to do that, the permission that we have. Give it a reason for auditing. It gives you a summary of what that looks like, and the recovery starts. So if we go over to our Azure portal again, you'll see here that we're already back. Obviously, we're talking very small amounts of metadata to bring back here. I know I often make a lot of changes to my configurations, and it's not always clear which one caused an issue until much, much later. With Veeam, the ability to compare backups to production means I can quickly roll back and get everything running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next demo.